Patrol ready for action, Ryder, sir.
I just got a call from Farmer Al and Farmer Yumi. The wind wrecked the wedding decorations and part of the barn.
Oh no! Is the wedding ruined?
It's a big job, but I think we can fix it. So I'll need all paws on deck for a good old-fashioned barn raising.
Yeehaw!
All right! PAW Patrol is on a roll!
Thanks for coming out, Ryder. Can you believe this mess?
Maybe we should postpone the wedding.
I think we can fix it in time.
Let's do it! How am I gonna get up there?
I'll give you a lift, buddy.
Oh!
Screwdriver.
Okay, everybody. Ready to lift that wall?
Yes! Yes! Help? I kind of got caught when the wall went up.
Silly pup. Jump.
Whee! Thanks, Ryder. We're not done yet. Every barn needs a weather vane.
The barn is back up.
Yeehaw!
And so are the decorations.
Great job, pups.
The PAW Patrol saved the wedding. Thank you so much.
I couldn't have done it without the pups.
Rusty goes bananas. Interesting. Hey, Ruby, what you doing? Research for my school report. Life as a monkey. So, what's it like? Whoa, it's pretty dizzy. Well, how'd you like to check out some real life monkeys? Real monkeys? I just set up a little private, totally awesome tour of the animal park with Ranger Anna. Really? Yep. We can check out the new monkey exhibit. It'll totally help with your report. Well, what are we waiting for? Time to bolt! Tour. Thanks so much, Rusty. No problem. I'm glad I can help.
I love traveling by Vine.
Hi, Ranger Anna.
Oh, hiya, kids. You kind of snuck up on me there. I'm glad you could make it. Welcome to the animal park.
Thanks for giving us the special tour, Anna. It's really going to help me with my report.
Oh, you bet. There's plenty I can teach you. For example, have you ever seen a monkey eat a banana? They can peel them with their feet.
Ew. I'm definitely putting that in my report.
Oh, yep. We got a whole bunch of amazing animals here I can show you. Just walk this way. Okay, here they are.
Oh, they're so cute. And a little weird.
Oh, monkeys sure are a hoot. Just wait till you see this. Breakfast time!
Are you getting this? Oh, yeah. This is going to be awesome.
Oh, boy. That's one thing about monkeys. They really need to learn to pay more attention. Anywho, let's move on to the slithery world of snakes. Just walk this way. First stop, the magnificent Burmese python.
Wow!
Yep, it's time for this python to get its lunch on. I'll just, I must have dropped my keys somewhere.
I think I know who has them. Whoa!
Galloping gorillas! My monkeys are on the loose!
Rusty? I don't think I need to get this close to the monkeys for my report.
Yeah, this isn't good. We've got to help Anna get him back in her cage.
Hey, give me back my tablet! My whole report's on there! What are we gonna do?
All right, everyone stay calm. I'll just go talk to them. Ooh, ooh, ah! Ooh, 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 ah, ah,
Got it!
What'd they say?
I asked them to go back to the exhibit, but I'm pretty sure ooh, ooh, ah, ah, means let's go have fun.
Don't worry, we're on it. Ruby, we've got some monkeys to round up.
Yeah! My buggy!
My go-kart! Come on! Uh-oh. We've really got to catch those monkeys.
Don't worry, everyone. Everything's under control. Officer Carl is on the case. Whew. Those are some fast monkeys. Stop! Ooh, ice cream. Wait a minute. Those monkeys took my whistle. Stop! Police! Come back here! I order you to climb back down. And whatever you do, do not blow my whistle. That's it. You've left me no choice. You're getting a ticket, mister.
Hi, Officer Carl.
Oh, Westy, am I glad to see you. We've got some serious monkey troubles.
Don't worry, we'll round them up.
Well, thanks, little fella. Why, you?
Come on, let's get those monkeys.
Oh, I missed you. Tastes like banana.
We'll never catch those monkeys by chasing them. We've got to come up with an idea.
And fast.
Enough is enough. All right, monkeys, you've had your fun. Now how about coming back?
How did it go?
Ugh, not good. I wish there was something those monkeys loved more than monkeying around.
Well, they do love bananas.
Yeah, if only we could launch the bananas like those tennis balls. Wait a minute. That's it!
Let's combine it.
And design it. We know monkeys love bananas, and there were loads of them at the fruit stand.
We could load them all into this tennis ball launcher.
And then we attach it to my go-kart. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified, customized, rustified. The banana launcher on wheels 5000! All right, time for a test launch. Launching in 3, 2, 1.
Huh. Well, that's not strong enough.
What if we turn it up to full power?
Yeah, that should do it. Maybe we should keep it on medium power.
Good idea.
Hey! Oh, this isn't fair! Give it back!
Hey, monkeys, breakfast time! All right, it's showtime.
Yay! Way to go, Rusty!
Wow, they're gobbling up everything I throw at them. Oh no! Only one banana left? I've got to make this count. Phew. Ranger Anna, I present your monkeys.
Oh, wow. You two really saved the day. Thank you.
We're always happy to help.
Actually, Anna, you helped me. This monkey adventure is gonna make for an awesome school report.
Well, before you tackle that report, I know the perfect way to end our monkey adventure.
Banana splits.
And well deserved.
Rusty, where's yours?
Coming right up. Banana split in 3, 2, 1.
Rusty, are you okay?
Must have had it on full power again. Awesome.
Fright night, fright night. Calling all trains. Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission. Today's mega mission goes to Fright Night. Oh, I mean Freight Nate. You'll pick up Halloween treats from Mail Station and deliver them to Central Square Station for the town Halloween party. Halloween treats? Sweet! Now you're ready to make tracks!
Nate should be coming by here any time now. I can't wait till he sees my costume. Here he comes!
Ghost train!
Is that the carload of candy? Where is it going?
Phew! No ghost train! And no candy! The ghost train has Flicker too! I've got to save him, but how? I'm so scared. But I know someone who isn't. Super Nate! Megatron, activate! I thought you were a real ghost.
Really? But you still came to save me? Wow! You really are a super train! Start and deliver!
Super trains!
Paw Patrol ready for action, Riders, sir!
Farmer Owl has an emergency. The water main under his field burst.
Uh-oh! The talent show's starting soon.
I know you're performing at the show, but we have to help our friends first. Rocky, I need you and your tools to fix that pipe.
Green means go!
Rubble, I need you and your digger to clear out the old pipes.
Rubble on the double.
We'll help Farmer Owl as quick as we can and then race over to the show.
All
right! Paw Patrol is on a roll!
Thanks for coming, Ryder. Thanks, Rubble and Rocky. Look at this broken pipe.
Rubble, we need to get it out of there.
Rubble on the double.
Julia and Julius are really good.
Yeah, but we're going to be really good too.
Not if Rubble doesn't get here soon, we won't be. I hope he hurries.
Now we just need to put that pipe back together.
Pincer.
Fixed it. Good work, Rocky.
Well, now I've seen everything.
Let's hear it for Mr. Porter's 3-pie pile-up. It's time for the Paw Patrol Band!
Come on, pups. We're on.
Yes!
I love to dig. I love to bark. Play in the mud, run around the park. You can call on me, yeah, you can call me. You can call on me. Put your paws up, put 'em up now. Let me hear your pup howl.
Rusty's Nightlights. And the Power Play 9000 is now finished.
Whoa, it's beautiful.
Yep, she's got twin turbo thrusters, hydraulically controlled landing gear, and a super cool window decal. I call him Fancy Dancy Pig. He's for good luck.
Solid choice. Is the plane ready for a test flight?
It's totally ready.
Great! Looks like Crush wants to come too. Can we fly it now?
I don't think so.
Come on.
Well, it's gonna be dark soon, so we should probably wait till morning.
Just once around the park. See you in a bit.
Sure, Bites. We'll go to the park too. Rusty to Ruby. Come in, Ruby. How's the...
This thing is fast. Make that super fast. Crush just gave it 2 thumbs up. And it doesn't even have thumbs.
Nice. And how's the steering?
Back up. Sure, just be careful. Don't pull it too hard.
What happened? What's going on?
Rush broke the steering stick, and now we're out of control. Maybe there's an app on my tablet that'll help me get... No, my tablet!
I see it. Whirly!
Thanks, Whirl. How am I gonna fix the steering stick?
There's a roll of duct tape on the plane, but I can't remember where I put it.
Found it! It's not perfect, but it should hold long enough for us to land.
Okay, there's a big, empty field to your right. That'll make a perfect landing strip.
You see it?
Yep, heading there now.
Great. Now all you have to do is lower the landing gear, and you're all set.
Huh, okay. Let's try that again. 3rd time lucky? Rusty? Please don't panic, but the landing gear is stuck!
Looks like there's a tree branch stuck in it.
Can I still land?
Not until you unstick the stick.
Okay, how do I do that? I don't know. Wait, I have an idea, but I need a bungee cord.
I think I put one in the cockpit somewhere.
Yeah! Found it!
Great. Whatever you're gonna do, better do it fast. If it gets any darker, you won't be able to see the landing strip.
Okay, Crush. Are you ready to fix this plane? Yeah! All you have to do is hold on to this bungee cord, and I'll lower you out of the plane. Then you can... Come on, Crush. I know it's scary, but you can do it. I knew I could count on you.
Nice catch. And nice job getting the branch out.
Way to go, Crush. The landing gear is working. But now it's too dark to see the landing strip. So, where's the switch to turn on the plane lights?
Yeah, there's just one tiny problem with that. I didn't install any.
Oh, no!
Can you see us at all?
Nope.
How about now?
Still nope.
Ray, give me some light. Now point it to the sky, please. Anything yet?
Wait, are you that little speck of light on the ground?
Yes!
I can see you!
Great! Enough to land?
Not even close.
Okay, we just need more light. Let's find something at the recycling yard, guys. Ruby, keep circling until we get back. We can use this plastic to make light signals, just like the ones airports have to direct planes. That's right, Botasaur. Only we'll rustify ours bigger and brighter. Now we need some lights to help make a runway. Not bad, but I think we need something bigger. Bigger. Even bigger. Now that's what I'm talking about. Let's get them all to the park. Okay, Ruby. All we have to do is plug these in and you're clear to land.
Woohoo!
Hit it, Botasaur! All right, Ruby. Can you see the lights?
We can see them, Rusty. Go! Coming in for a landing. Whoa! Hang on, Crush! What happened to the landing lights?
I don't know. All the lights went out down here.
The whole town's dark.
The spotlights were so powerful, they kind of used up all the power in the city.
Ugh, I never should have taken off just before dark. I was too excited to fly and not even thinking. This is all my fault. At least nothing else can go wrong. Hey, Rusty, the red light on the dashboard. That wouldn't be the running out of gas light, would it?
Yeah.
Okay, here's when I start to get a little nervous.
New plan. Ruby, can you see anything from up there?
Not really. There aren't any lights on the plane, remember?
Right, which would totally be helpful at a time like... Wait, I've got an idea. What if we guide you in for a landing through the air?
What do you mean?
You'll see. Let's combine it and design it. First, we'll use the seat from my go-kart. Then combine it with a bunch of turbo propellers from back at the yard. And last but not least, we need Ray. This is your time to shine, pal. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Customized, rustified. The Flying Rotolite 5000. Whoa! Ruby and Crush, we're on our way. Time to pull.
Oh boy, we're cutting it close. You got it. You got it. Rusty, Ray.
We'll lead you down safely. Follow us. Can you see?
We're right and clear.
Nice. Get ready to land.
Out of gas. Talk about a close call. Thanks, Rusty. But I think we've all learned a valuable lesson here.
Don't take a test flight at night in a plane with no lights.
Yes, and your fancy-dancy pig sticker isn't that lucky.
Got you covered. Bam! Meet Soaring Roaring Turtle. That should double your luck for next time.
Perfect. The Power Plane 9000 is ready to fly again.
Almost. I still have to fix the steering stick. So, tomorrow morning?
Cool! What do you say, Crush? Oh! Crush? Crush? Is that a yes?
Winkapalooza! Calling all trains! Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission! Today's mega mission goes to... Farmer Faye! You get to pick up the world-famous Pop Star Piggies from Farm Station and deliver them to Winkapalooza by sunset. Now you're ready to make tracks! Hey there, Clay and May. I'm here to pick up my favorite dancing piggies. Here's Larry. See y'all later, Clay and May. Ah! No tracks ahead! Hold on, y'all! Oops! Ray! Faye needs your help in the desert! It's an emergency! Sirens and lights time! Phew! Thank you kindly, Red. Come on down, one at a time, please. Single file. Have water, piggies. You must be hot and thirsty. Okay, Faye. Roll across the net. Keep going to the next one. I got this, Red. Woohoo! I'm back on track. Popstar Piggies!
Paw Patrol ready for action, Riders, sir!
Farmer Owl has an emergency. The water main under his field burst.
Uh-oh. The talent show's starting soon.
I know you're performing at the show, but we have to help our friends first. Rocky, I need you and your tools to fix that pipe.
Green means go!
Rubble, I need you and your digger to clear out the old pipes.
Rubble on the double.
We'll help Farmer Owl as quick as we can and then race over to the show.
Oh, right! Paw Patrol is on a roll!
Thanks for coming, Ryder. Thanks, Rubble and Rocky. Look at this broken pipe.
Rubble, we need to get it out of there.
Rubble on the double.
Julia and Julius are really good.
Yeah, but we're going to be really good too.
Not if Rubble doesn't get here soon, we won't be. I hope he hurries.
Now we just need to put that pipe back together.
Pincer.
Fixed it. Good work, Rocky.
Well, now I've seen everything.
Let's hear It's time for the Paw Patrol Band!
Come on, pups, we're on. Yes!
I love to dig, I love to bark, play in the mud, run around the park. You can call on me, yeah, you can call me. You can call on me. Put your paws up, put 'em up now. Let me hear your pup howl. Rusty's Bit in the Woods. Keep up the good work, guys. Light, Ray. Great. Lift, Jack. Multi-mallet, Whirly. Thanks, guys. This might be our coolest, most rustified invention ever.
Or at least today.
Not yet, Crush. We still don't need anything squished. I'll let you know when we need you. Okay, guys. Work together now. Okay, let's test this thing out.
It works! All we need to do is clamp on the cover.
This is a job for Crush. Okay, Crush, we need you now. Crush? Where is he?
Not here.
Not here either. We can't finish this project without Crush.
He's not here, but these are definitely his tracks.
Let's see where they go.
Oh no! He must have wandered out of the yard.
He couldn't have gotten far. Come on! Time to bolt!
That should do it. Now, to get this stuff to the recycling plant. Uh-oh.
Look at those cans. Crushed perfectly.
That's totally his style. We're getting closer. No more recycling.
And no sign of Crush either.
I guess he's farther away than we thought.
I better call him on my tablet. Uh-oh. It didn't work. There's no signal power.
We need to get someplace up high to get a better signal.
Like the top of Mr. Hagen's store?
I was thinking a little higher. Planner's Peak. Nothing will be in the way from up here.
Signal's good. It's connecting. Crush, it's us. Are you okay? Yeah! He's okay.
Yeah! Crush, time to come home. Okay, buddy? What happened? We lost the signal.
He must be offline. I hope he's okay.
If Crush can't tell us where he is, there's only one thing to do.
Search the whole town, top to bottom.
Bits, we're gonna need your help. Let's split up so we can cover more ground. Okay, guys, search everywhere. And I mean everywhere. Let's find Crush!
Crush!
We've looked everywhere. Whirly looked high. We looked low. I don't know where else in town he could be.
What if that's because he's not in town? What if he wandered outside of town? He could be scared and alone and lost.
And now it's too dark to search. It'll be hard to find him in the dark.
Wait, Rusty! Look! We can totally use Ray's light to keep searching.
Of course. I'm sorry, guys. If I had just paid attention to Crush, he never would have ran away and gotten lost.
That's okay, Rusty. We'll find him together.
Wait, that's it! Together! You bet you can help. For this to work, we'll need all of you.
Let's combine it
And design it. We'll start with my go-kart seat and turn it into a cockpit.
add some metal from the yard to make perfect wings.
And most important of all, we need the bits. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified, customized, rustified. The Bit Bat 9000!
Ready to fly the night sky.
Good to go, Ruby. You ready, Bits? Let's do this.
You can do it, Rusty!
Activating night vision mode. Ray, light the area. Whirly, transmit video.
I'm receiving your goggle feed, Rusty, but still no sign of Crush.
Hold on. What's that? Zooming in.
I'm on it. Crush isn't here, but his antenna is.
That means he's close. Maybe he's in the forest. Heading there now. Jack?
On board!
But we have a problem. There's no place to land.
I see where he is. On my way. I'm coming, Crush!
Ruby, look out! You're headed for a log!
What? Where? I can't see it! Oh, no! Thanks, buddy. Boy, we miss you.
Now we can finally finish this thing. Only one job left to do. Sorry, guys, but this is a job for Crush.
Yeah!
Okay, Crush, you're up.
And done.
It's for you, Crush. The Canomatic 6000. Just hit this button whenever you feel the need to squeeze.
The treasure of King Timmins. Calling all trains. Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission. Today's mega mission goes to... Build It Brock.
Really? Me?
You'll follow the clues on the Majestic Mountain map to the treasure of King Tooth and deliver it to Museum Station.
And don't forget me, Nico, King of the Maps. Explorer home!
Now you're ready to make tracks.
I'll go nice and slow in case King Tooth made a booby trap to keep his treasure safe. No booby trap! Woohoo!
Uh-oh. Oh, no. Not good. Fairy man, go, go, go. Uh-oh. Booby trap! Mega Digger, activate!
Hold on tight! Ah! The treasure of King Toots! It's blow time! Now let's get that treasure! It's beautiful. Done and delivered!
Paw Patrol, ready for action. Riders, sir. Katie has an emergency only the Paw Patrol can handle.
Oh no! Where did they all go?
I need, Marshall to bring your ladder and all the Paw Patrol tools to help, just in case. I'm fired up. Paw Patrol is, whoa, on a roll.
Thanks for coming, Marshall. One of the kitties ran down to the beach. Let's go!
He's up there pretty high.
How can we get him down?
I think I have a pup pack that'll work. Oh, I hope this flies better than it fits.
Are you going to fly all the way up there?
I can do it. Oh, oh, wings. This pup's gotta fly. Whoa. Eek. Whoa. Careful, Marshall. I'm flying. I'm flying. I'm flying. I did it. Whoa. 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 Whoa.
What is that?
Huh? Whoa.
Is that Marshall?
Whoa! Whoa! Catch, Katie!
Got you.
Ryder,
Marshall! You did it! Huh? You saved the kitty. Even the kitty thanks you.
Well, whenever you're in trouble, just meow for help.
You really did look out for the lookout while we were gone. What a good pup.
Rusty's Stuffy Tuffy. Okay, guys, you ready to test our new invention out?
Fetch! This new invention is perfect for playing fetch, Rusty.
I call it the Octotosser 88. But it can do way more than just throw stuff. It's also good for tire lifting. Tire juggling. And puppy patting.
Guys! Whoa! Not to mention Liam stopping. That's the second coolest thing I've seen today.
Really? So what's the first?
These tickets to ride Mr. Higgins' Sparkton Hills Super Express train. Nice! I love trains.
Me too!
Wanna come?
Yeah!
Great! Mr. Wobblesworth is coming too. He's never been on a train before, have you, little guy? Oops! Oh no! I really have to start hanging on to him better. Don't worry, I've got this. Whoa! Thanks! Incoming penguin! Nice climbing, Ruby. Mr. Wobblesworth wouldn't want to miss the train ride.
And neither do we. Come on! Time to pull!
That's it now. Tickets, please. All aboard, everyone.
Hi, Mr. Higgins.
Hello there, kids.
The Super Express train looks awesome!
Well, thank you. She's my fastest train yet. And she's leaving faster than I thought. Better hop on board.
Yeah! This is gonna be so great, Mr. Wobblesworth. Wow, look at that view.
Wow!
And wow, look at that river way down there, Mr. Wobblesworth. Have you ever been up so high, little guy?
Attention, passengers. I'm going to use the new turbo speed setting, so please remain seated and get ready.
Hold tight to Mr. Wobblesworth, Liam. You wouldn't want anything to happen. What could happen? Oh no, he fell out of the window, and I didn't mean to drop him, and now he's gone! We have to get him, we have to get him! We have to get him!
Don't worry, Liam. We will.
But how? The train's still going.
Next up, Sparkton Corners.
We'll get off here and walk back to where you dropped him.
You'll have your penguin back in no time. Penguin sighted. Under the bridge, on the beam. But it looks like he's wedged in pretty tightly.
Well then, let's just go up there and get him. Wait, Liam! We can't get him from on top of that bridge. Why? Because of that. I see your point.
We have to get Mr. Wobblesworth from underneath. We can use this path.
If only penguins could fly.
This won't be easy, Liam.
Be brave, Mr. Wobblesworth. Rusty will get you with his... Rusty, what are you getting him with?
My grappling hook.
His grappling hook! If you angle it just right, adjust for wind resistance, and...
That penguin is as good as grappled.
You got him! Yes!
Mr. Wobblesworth, you're coming home. Or not.
Mr. Wobblesworth! Mr. Wobblesworth! No!
He's falling straight for the river.
Now what do we do?
Don't worry, Liam. He's still safe.
We just need a way to get up there. You know what would help? A highly intelligent tiny flying robot. Let's get some bits on the fix. Hurry, we need your help.
There's a penguin up there that needs a rescue.
It's complicated. You got this. Seriously? That seagull again? She always causes trouble.
She looks pretty interested in Mr. Wobblesworth.
Oh, man. I'm okay with sharing, but not with her.
Whirly, distract that seagull.
I can handle that climb. I'll just go up there and grab Mr. Wobblesworth. Crush, Jack, I need my climbing gear. Nice work. I'll just look at the back of my fingers till this is all done, okay? Okay, little penguin. Nothing can stop us now. Ah! Oh, no! No!
You okay, Ruby?
I'm good. This little spider just scared me. Sorry, Liam, but we'll get him back. Another plan?
Another plan.
The river's flowing too fast for us to swim across. I was this close to getting Mr. Wobblesworth. Too bad that spider dropped down right in front of me.
Dropped down. That's it! What if we do exactly what the spider did?
Make Ruby drop my penguin again? No, Liam. Rusty means up the bridge from underneath, then drop all the way down to the rock.
It'll be tricky, but we can do it.
Let's combine it
and design it. First, we'll take the cockpit of my go-kart.
Then for some climbing power, we'll add the 8 arms from the Octotosser 88.
Then combine it with my grappling hook and steel line. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified, customized, rustified. The Emergency Rescue Robo-Spider 8000!
Cool!
Let's go save that penguin!
Hold on, Mr. Wobblesworth. Rusty the Robo-Spider's dropping by soon. Woohoo! Just like a real spider. Only 88 times cooler. Go, Rusty!
I'm dropping down.
Hang tight, Mr. Wobblesworth. You're not afraid of spiders, are you? Cool!
Initiating Operation Penguin Pluck.
So close!
Got him!
Yahoo! I thought I'd never get to squeeze you again, little guy.
Wow, Liam may be small, but he has one big hug.
Mr. Wobblesworth, from now on, I will be super careful with you.
Does that mean no more train rides?
No way. It just means a lot more tape.
Good thinking, Liam. Only, how will he enjoy the scenery like that?
We talked about it. Mr. Wobblesworth said he's had enough scenery for one day.
Freight mates, choo-choo! Calling all trains. Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission. Today's mega mission goes to Freight Nate. Chug-a-zoom! You'll pick up salt and pepper from Port Station and bring it to Farm Station, so Clay and May can finish their chili and start the picnic.
Now you're ready to make tracks.
Clear the tracks for Nate and Max. Ahoy, Skipper!
Ahoy, Freight Nate and Max.
Thanks, Skipper. See you at the picnic. The salt and pepper are chugging away. Sugar. Wait! I'm not sneezing anymore. That's it. I have an idea. It's working. We're not sneezing. Just a little bit farther. Done and delivered. It's chili time. Check out full episodes of Mighty Express on Netflix.